Test 1, 2, hello. I actually noticed that I put the volume of the music down quite a bit, although my mic is a little bit quiet too. Let me know how the balance is, although I won't be playing music during the stream. So just let me know in the chat if my audio sounds okay or if I should pump up the volume one way or another. Okay, I just adjusted my mic's volume. I might have made it too sensitive because I see it go into the red if I speak kind of loudly, but otherwise it seems kind of okay. Let me know. I didn't change the music volume, but hopefully my mic now is a bit louder. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Twitch Tuesday on the Coding Train. New experiment. Boy, do I have a lot of reasons not to be here today, but by golly, every Tuesday I am going to find my way to Twitch. Or at least, if I have to take a Tuesday off, let it not be the second Tuesday of the year that I am trying this experiment. Of course, this experiment might get completely canceled, but for now I'm here. The camera is kind of laggy. Hopefully that's not for everyone, but so Uvota says that. There's a question from Fox the Bomb. Dan, are you more of a morning coffee or morning tea person? I'm a fan of chai in the morning personally. Well, in this thermos here is coffee. And I probably went through like close to a 15-year period. I mean, I don't think I drank coffee between like 1996. I'm an old man. 1996 and 2015. I was purely a tea and herbal tea person. But 2015, I always thought, I mean, did you really want the long answer to this question? Because that's what you're getting. I drank coffee in college, and then after I graduated from college, it was just making me sick. And I was having lots of stomach issues, and I cut out coffee completely. And then 15 years later or so, I was like, oh, this coffee looks good. I was in Europe at the time. I was like, I gotta have this. And then I couldn't go back. All right, so hopefully the internet unbearably laggy. No! Oh yeah, look at this. Okay, so let me take a look. Oh yeah. This is bad. Okay. All right. me see what I've got going on here internet-wise. Okay, I'm going to keep talking while I determine what's going on with my internet here. And it suddenly went to yellow, so back to red. I'm checking if it's a. I know the problem I had once. That looks pretty good, but hold on. Hold on a sec. I'm going to check the router. Okay. Well, oh, green. I'm back to green. I think I'm. Okay, I'm back to green, so hopefully this is working. I hope I'm in the middle of checking network settings, but now that it's working, I am just going to resume. Oh, you probably missed all my opening spiel. But I would like to see from the chat, yeah, I see some folks saying it seems to be fine now. Hey, it's good. So I'm hoping that was just a temporary issue. So there's a bunch of things that are making this stream that I'm doing today kind of difficult. The good news is it's warm in here. So I've had new electric heaters installed in the garage space. The boiler is still running for another heater in the house. It's a long story, but so noise-wise, things should be quieter, and I'm quite a bit warmer, so that's good. I have not gone fully electric yet, so I still have oil-based heating for the house, and I'm expecting an oil delivery sometime today. I know some of you live in parts of the world where it's much colder, but it is currently 9 degrees, that's Fahrenheit, outside with a high of 18. So it's a very cold day, and I've been dealing with sort of this old house that I'm now living in, getting things kind of up and running for the winter, which is really starting in full force. So if I have a camera, a security camera on the outside of the garage, I'm keeping my eye on it. If I see a big oil truck arrive, I'm going to have to just cut this stream short. So that's item number one. Item number two is due to the Omicron variant, my kids, who are ages 10 and 13, they are in, I should know this, 5th and 7th grade, are doing school from home, and I am the only parent home today during the day. So their lunch break is at noon, so I have to leave at noon to go make lunch, and they do have their ability to text me, so I am keeping my eye also on my phone, in addition to the webcam that I can see if an oil truck pulls up there. Finally, that sound went down. I'm also keeping an eye to see if they text me, if they need something, I have to go. Life is hard, people. I'm really trying to start off 2022 on a good, things are actually going well for me. I feel great. Things are good. I'm enjoying my new routine and trying to get up and running, but boy, is it slow. There's been no new video content. I haven't recorded a new video, but I'm here. Twitch Tuesday. Mathieu says -9 degrees Fahrenheit. That's what it's like in Montreal? Oh dear. So Simon is telling me there are 31 viewers watching. Mwah! I'm so happy. Look, I mean, not 31 people is a lot for my second Twitch stream. Just to give you updated, let me talk about some Coding Train news for the core viewers, clearly, who are here. Coding Train has a new social media manager, Katie Chan. Say hello on Twitter. Well, let me just open up my computer here. What am I doing just talking to you with this background? Let's go over to here and let's say hello to twitter.com/thecodingtrain. So Katie Chan is now, who is the creator of the P5JS 2021 showcase, the Love Ethic, is now going to be working on the Coding Train's Twitter and Instagram. So let's reboot that, get it up and running, tweet at it. I don't know why I'm saying it. What tweet at the Coding Train social media. Let's liven up some activity there. Say hello to Katie in the Discord. I mean, she's just getting started, so I think she's in I know she's on Discord, but I don't know how much she's engaging with the actual Discord yet. It's 72 degrees Fahrenheit in Bangalore. Wow. By the way, my son's new favorite thing, who's 13, is like geography, basically. Has all these geography books and doing all this geography trivia, is like memorizing all the flags. He watches geography YouTubers, which is a thing. Plays, what's the game that he loves to play, which is, why am I blanking on this now? It's the game where it drops you somewhere in Google Street View and you have to like figure out where you are. I can't believe I can't think of what this is called. Anyway, if you have any good geography content suggestions for me, pass those along. I will pass them along. 74 degrees in Sao Paulo. But that reminded me of this because there's all the international viewers here. It's kind of exciting to think about all the people around the world. GeoGuessr. Thank you, Simon. Antonio, but I can't believe I couldn't think of that. I'm a little bit worried for myself. I feel like words are escaping me more and more. That's what happens when you get older. Let's see. So what is the purpose of today's stream? Coding Train news. So I have yet to record any new content. I have yet to do a YouTube stream in 2022. I'm doing a lot of work on the new Coding Train website. If you're interested in getting involved with that, please join the Coding Train Discord. And there'll be more information about that coming soon. But that's a big project I'm working on, Coding Train-wise, getting the new social media stuff up and running. And my plan is to return to recording coding challenges to be edited and posted on the YouTube channel as per usual. I would like to get back to, I think, like 2017 days. I mean, Simon will know this for sure. There was one year where I kind of like almost did a coding challenge every week. I don't know how realistic that is. We'll have, we put so much more into the production of them now, but maybe it's worth scaling that back to have more of them. I don't know, but certainly to have, I would like to be, I think it's realistic for me to be recording a short one every week. See if we can get into the rhythm of editing one every week. I don't know. But at least getting one done and out soon. I don't know if I'm going to return back to YouTube live streaming. I mean, I probably will. I might even this Friday. Although more realistically, it'll be next week because I got to get hopefully my kids will go back to school in person. And my big project, my number one priority for this year is the Nature of Code book, which I haven't even cracked open yet. So I'm going to be working a lot on that. I hope to do some streams about that and keep going with those edited tutorial videos. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, Nature of Code playlist 2. See if this pops it up. But yeah, basically, here it is. Where did I last leave off? Chapter 5. So I've got to keep going with this. So that's the plan. I'm looking at the chat. GeoGuessr. 2 European degrees here. Okay, I assume that's Celsius. All right, so I'm stalling because I don't know what to do today because I was excited. At least I'm participating in Genuary 2022. So let's go to my Twitter, which you can find my recent contributions. So I'm going to skip over the machine learning wrong answers only thing. So for example, for day 9, I made this processing skyline generator for the architecture prompt. I was thinking this could be a nice, I think this could be a 10-minute coding challenge. Like I make a quick skyline like this, and there's so many possibilities for people to make their own twist on it. Single curve only. I kind of went off the deep end and started playing around with the combining. I did this in a live stream before, but combining the self-avoiding walk with the Bezier curves. Saul Lewitt, this is my, I like this one. This is my take on Saul Lewitt wall drawings, animating them. So here's one like that. I like here's with a little like blob in the middle. Somebody else made one that I thought I like more than mine. Been retweeting some things. This was my trade styles with a friend. So if you're not familiar with the work of Casey Reese is a big inspiration to me. And Denisovich is asking, is it a drawing context gradient? Actually, I manually drew the gradient. So I manually just drew small rectangles, adjusting the color, interpolating the color from one to another. I could come and do that. And then this one though is, so this is, let me click over to this. If you're not familiar with it, you should, if you have some time, take a look at this. Okay, let's just accept these. This process compendium documentation 10 years, from 10 years ago, which is documenting work from 6 years. Oh, it's in my ear, but not in yours. So I took one of the styles, this particular style, and applied it just to the flocking example, which produced a pretty interesting result. This was, I'm looking for my destroy a square. I trained a StyleGAN machine learning model on just images of squares, like pure rectangular squares drawn in processing, and I got this very almost like sort of like old-timey, filmy looking like thing. I actually really like this one. This is my homage to Fidenza, which is a generative artwork by Tyler Hobbs with some variations of it. I like this one a lot. That's what I did last Tuesday. So while I was live streaming last Tuesday, I started building this, but then continued it throughout the day. The thing that I was really curious to try was varying thickness of these lines. So this is following a flow field connecting curves and like making sure nothing intersects. And one of the things I wanted to see if I could do it with allowing for varying line thickness. Whoops. Oh, let's see. What else was there? Space. This I think was my most successful one on Don in terms of if we're measuring success by retweets and likes. But this is just gravitational attraction. I just did it with like a lot of particles and just it's not and rendered it out frame by frame without worrying about optimizing it for real time. In Creative Live, I started programming 7 years ago because of you, Daniel. This is the thing. I really need to do some accounting of what I've been doing here on the coding train because while I wasn't paying attention, years passed. So what is the anniversary of the coding train and how do I count that and when do I want to celebrate little milestones? I don't know. It's not something I've ever really done before. But to me, I'm getting a lot of messages recently from people who are, I started learning to code, now I work or I'm doing this and like, you know, I'm just saying it creative, but it's like 347. Like creative just said in the chat like 7 years. And hold on, nope, that's not a text message. Hey, does anyone, Tono Buck asks, hey, does anyone know if by watching and learning all the stuff that Daniel's tutorials on processing, I could build stuff like that? So that's the idea. Yes, I hope so. If you want to know where to get started, the new website is hopefully going to make things a lot easier for people who are brand new and just want to get started. But the current website has a structure like that. So these are your beginner tutorials, and then if you're just looking for sort of project-based stuff, kind of going through all of these and picking one out to like watch and make your own variation of is kind of the next stop there. Okay, where was I? So that was space. What else did I have? Yes, dithering. I want to make a coding challenge video on how to do this, which is the image stippling with, I forget what this is called, but like centroidal Voronoi tessellation. So you can see here, like, this is just drawing a dot. This one here, the algorithm is for every single spot, basically. Actually, never mind. Let me restate the algorithm. The algorithm is pick a random XY. Based on the brightness in the source image, roll the dice. And basically, the brightness of the image is the probability at which you would draw, or the darkness. I'm having a terrible time explaining this with words. It's much easier to like work it out through code, and my whiteboard is no longer set up because I had to install the new heaters, so I had to move everything around. But I could do this. I could do this, everybody. I'm going to explain this. Whew, whew, whew. Okay. I'm picking a dot. I should just open up the code. I'm picking a dot. What am I even saying? A random XY. Then I'm going to look at the brightness value of that pixel. The brightness value I can consider as a value between 0 and 1. 1 being 100% bright, 0 being 100% dark or black versus white. So let's say it's at 0.5. It's the pixel brightness value is 127 on a scale from 0 to 255, around 0.5. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a random number between 0 and 1. And if that random number is greater than the brightness value, then I will draw an actual dot there. So basically, I'm just throwing a lot of dots at the screen, at the canvas, and if the source image has a darker pixel, it's much more likely that that dot will stick. So dots stick to where the image is darkest, and you get a kind of pixelated version of the image. But it looks like this. Then by applying another algorithm, by spacing the dots out, essentially sucking them into the darker spots, but keeping them more evenly spaced, you get something that looks more like the image on the right. So I want to do a whole video building that because I think it's a really interesting algorithm. And it comes from this paper by the author Secord. And you can sort of see, you can see what that relaxation looks like. There we go. You can see how the dots move from one to another here. So I want to do that. 10,000 squares, that was the first prompt. And Denisovich asked, oh, so it's like random thresholding. Exactly. Exactly random thresholding. All right, so now what I want, it's a probabilistic threshold. I mean, I could do it. We're drawing every dot below a certain threshold, and then maybe even trying to apply this. But that's not this particular algorithm. Where's the paper? Let me just look at the thread. I'll link to the paper. I basically followed exactly what's in this paper from 2002. 20th anniversary of weighted Voronoi stippling. And I think there are many more. I got some good emails from folks. There are many more recent or different ways of possibly even improving on this algorithm in faster ways and ways that retain the original image more. But I like doing these sort of classic, or I don't want to call it ancient, because in 2002 I was a nice 28 years old. So I was in my prime then. Before I had discovered YouTube back in the day. Yeah. Sorry, I'm having some memories. Anyway, what was I saying? I liked doing this paper. Okay. So that's that. So here's the thing. I was excited to do Genuary, and I still am. I need your help. So if we go to the Genuary prompts, and I click on prompts, and I go to today, no computer. So I have a couple of choices. One is I could start to work on tomorrow's prompt because I have a computer and that's what I'm streaming with. That's one option. I just want to check. Well, the other thing is I could try to do something with no computer, and I'm just looking at just to make sure there's no text from my kids. There's not, no truck pulling up. Okay, I do not need to be interrupted. Or I could try to do no computer today. And I think what probably makes the most sense is for me to make use of, and I'll just give you a little closer view of this, my book here, A Million Random Digits with 100,000 Normal Deviates. Not long after research began at Rand in 1946, the need arose for random numbers that were used to solve problems of various kinds of experimental probability procedures. These applications, called Monte Carlo methods, required a large supply of random digits and normal deviates of high quality, and the tables presented here were produced to meet those requirements. Right? Think about a time when you needed to roll the dice to do image dithering manually. I guess I could do that. That could be my no computer. I could get a pen and a paper, and I have this document camera that I could point down. What should I do? Do you want to see me do a no computer or a different day with a computer? And I'll figure out my no computer later. That's what I would like to know. How do I find this out? I look at the chat. Do some old-fashioned analog streaming like the old days. What if my no computer was just me reading the random numbers for the next 35 minutes and releasing that as a video? I mean, that uses a computer because I'm recording it. Yes, I have to use a real bird to post it. I like this, Dennis says. No computer could be a coding-trained cover of Radiohead's OK computer album. I would hack my way to do the no computer as easiest as it gets. I could do a ukulele song. If we could write a song. I don't only know very few chords. Manually add numbers or graph some shapes. No computer later, says Uvota. Is there a poll feature in Dice Decides the Chords? All right, I like that. Is there a poll feature in the Twitch chat? Simon has an idea, everyone. I'm waiting. Generative song. Poll. Okay. All right, hold on. Let's try this. /poll. Unrecognized command. I don't have that feature. I need to install a bot. It says no computer. We can use some sort of other Turing-complete machine thing. Yeah, that is an excellent idea. I don't know that that's realistic to accomplish or really do make significant progress on in the next 35 minutes. What does check the slash mean? Oh. Yeah, I see all my ban, unban, clear, emote only, followers off, goal, host, unhost, marker, mod, monitor, raid, unraid, restrict, slow off, subscribers, timeout, unique chat. I don't have the poll. Oh. So that's the thing that I have installed is channel, oh no, that's channel management and Twitch. Mods, me, help. I don't have the poll. Welcome to Twitch Tuesday where I learn Twitch. Like, for example, Game of Life could work maybe. Poll is only available to affiliate partner. Okay. So, yeah, I can turn my Twitch into an affiliate probably fairly easily. I just have to stream a bit more often. I think that I have to do 8 hours in a month and like 7 sessions. I can't remember what it is. And so far, I could ramp that up for sure. Well, I can't do the pull. If only I had a whole like elaborately engineered open source live polling system programmed in Node.js that I was using very often. Oh my goodness. I'm really stuck. I think I should do I think for my No Computer, I would like to, what if I did a random number song? Okay. All right. How about a random number song? And in fact, although I won't be able to see the chat if I do this. Coding Train live poll. Yeah, I mean, I could try to get the live poll thing back up and running. That could be our project. But I'm sort of liking the idea of a random number song. So let's see if we can get that going. I'm looking for, in case, although I guess this uses a computer, but I was going to say I could record it. And I already forgot to record this session to disk, which I meant to be doing. Start recording. Now I'm recording. I could record just singing in front of the green screen, and I don't know. Then it would go on the Coding Train TikTok. Anybody want to be the Coding Train TikTok manager? Create the code. I have this fantasy that somehow there could be like a really popular Coding Train TikTok with no work from me whatsoever. Just re-editing clips and putting stuff together and just telling me what to say in front of a green screen. I could do all that. Perlin noise to make the chords. Well, but the thing is, no computer. I mean, I would have to calculate the Perlin noise. All right, let's try a little experiment here. First, let's tune the ukulele. Oh no, I have an app on my phone that I was doing that with. But there must be one that I can do just from in the browser. Ukulele tuner UkeBuddy. Let's try this. Well, all right. I need you to be able to hear. Let me put the audio back. So let me send Chrome, the audio from Chrome. So that, can I turn? Yeah, I'll use the mic. Okay. So where did I put it? This is definitely what you all signed up for, right? Hand drawings, right? So no one's done a song yet. Okay, we're in tune. Ukulele chord chart. And this looks like sticker sheet. Rainbow poster. I like that. Reference. I think something simpler. I like how small this is. C, F, G, D, E. Those look like hard chords. Let's try this one. Printable. Beginner. Here, this looks good. Copy image address. Okay. A minor, A7. Oh no, there's no way I'm doing this one. B flat. So what if I just use C, G7, A minor, and F? Those are the chords for that. Yes, I know. Boy, I really have a bad habit of not managing to use anything that I previously built, like the actual ukulele tuner, P5JS tuner that I made. But I was using that sort of machine learning pitch detector. Okay, so now if I open up the book, I really need like a music stand. I had a music stand at one point. What did I do with it? I left it in Brooklyn. I've got to get it. So, or do I need 9 chords? Let's go to the first page. Because if I were to do something like this is 0. Okay, so 1 would be 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 9, 7, 3. This is a bad idea. Okay, canceled. Okay, this is not my idea for today. I kind of liked it at the beginning. But okay, so drawing something I could do. Last 2 digits mod 4. That's pretty good, actually. I think this is a bad idea. Too bad I can't throw the poll up and get the confirmation. Oh, wait, no. Okay, that's not a truck. 30 more minutes here. It was going well? You all liked that? I really don't think so. Let's look at what's happening on Twitter right now. So let's see what people are posting. No computer. Yeah, so like following rules, generative rules, and drawing them. Lego stop motion. That is awesome. All right, I'm getting some positive feedback for the song. Okay, destroy a square. All right, so we're just getting the sort of popular stuff. Let's go to latest. No computer. Color gradients. Okay, these look pretty computer. Look at this. Hand-drawn stuff, hand-drawn. Paper circles on felt. I love that. Check this one out by Roni. Okay. Oh my goodness. You've got to be kidding me. That is so cool. Oh, I'm never going to achieve anything this great today. That's amazing. That is really wonderful. Whoops. Where was I looking? Oh, here I am. iPhone 5 conference call notes. Homage to Saul LeWitt. No computer, plotter. I could try doing something. Didn't bring my iPad over here. I'd have to go get it. Whoa. Whoa. That's insane. That is insane. ran. Certainly the random digits book. This feels like a must. Here's the thing. All I need in this live stream is to go away with an idea. I could. So let's think about. The thing is random chords really going to produce, like, what if I really did what Simon was suggesting? So let me get a pen. Let me see if I can get this document camera going. Just hold on, everybody. And I have a Coding Train notebook. All right, let's really. Let's really go into this no computer idea. Oh no, 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 no. Ooh, do I have another dongle? It's fine. I don't need to play. I'm disconnecting the sound effects. I don't think that's a big deal. Did Vera Mohar really use that book? I did not know. Molnar really used the book? I did not know that. Okay. So this camera is on. QuickTime. A new movie recording is what I want. Okay, that's me in front of the green screen. Here we go. Whoops. I did not mean to go over there. Meant to be here. Okay. So this is good. This is promising. I mean, I'm using a computer, obviously, for the camera and the streaming and all of that. So we can get. I don't want to write in the book. I could print out a page of it, but let's go with this idea. Okay, this Coding Train notebook has no blank pages in it. I know somewhere in here I have a completely fresh one I can grab. See, the nice thing about the Coding Train notebook, which I can show you both here and then also here, is that it is graph paper with little characters. By the way, you can pick one of these up at, I don't know what the URL is for it, but there's a Coding Train. I've actually searched for Coding Train notebook. You can order your own. I really love them. Okay, and it is graph paper. So I think I need more. All right, I think what I need to do is raise this up. And I'm trying to keep my eye on the webcam pointed at the driveway. I do have to go to make my children their lunch. What are you seeing? Oh, that's the carpet. That's so funny. Okay. Move this back a little bit. Okay. So we could do an experiment like, for example, let's just start with a quick experiment of, Travis, wait, if you, Kayfon, if you like, give me a link to it, I can just click on it and take a look at it. But let's just go with 10 print for a second. So for example, even would be to the right and odd would be to the left. So if I'm starting with the number 1, that's odd, so I'm to the left, right? And then 0, oops, 0 is even, odd, even. Oh, I lost track of where I was. 1 0 1 1 0 0 9 7 3 2 5 3 3 7 6 5 2 0 1 3, 5. Obviously, I'm doing a terrible job here. 8, 6. Okay, so we get the idea. So this is certainly something I could do, which is use the random number book. I could also flip a coin, roll a die, but I like to draw something. Okay. Now, I'm looking at the chat. Wolfram. Wait, hold on. There's a bunch of things being said in the chat here. Check out one by Travis Way. Wolfram Cellular Automaton, a Turing Machine, Game of Light. Yeah. 10 print. Does it really matter if you lose track of random numbers? Very, very good point. All right, so this could be what I do. The other thing would be, let's try the song idea. So if I did 2 digits mod 4, is that going to produce, but maybe I don't want an even probability of the chords. So what if we did, okay, 0 is C, 1 is G7, 2 is A minor, and 3 is F. So if I take this random sequence and mod it by 4, I'm going to have, just to start, 2, but the number I'm singing is 10, I see. So this is the lyrics. So 10 with a C, 9, wait, not C, no, 10 is A minor. What am I doing? 10 is A minor, 9 is G7, 73 is, oh geez Louise, you really expect me to do this in my head? It's got to be 1, right? 72 has got to be divisible by 4. Yeah, 80, 76, 72. So it's 1. 25, oh thank you for an easier, 1, so 1 is G7 again. I like this. This I think could work. 1, wait, 73. What's after 73? 25. 25 is also 1, so that's G7. 33, what's going on here? That's going to be a 1. I mean, it's more likely to be a 0 or 1, right? Because if I'm doing 2 digits, right? 33, 32, it's G7 again. Well, this is crazy. 76, aha, that's C. 52, 52 is also is C. So this is interesting. We'll get the A minor. Let's just see what happens here. I didn't even get an F. Okay, now I have to sing this song. N mod 10 mod 4. Oh, N mod 10 mod 4. I do like that. 10, 9, 73, 25, 33, 76, 52. Okay, this is actually can kind of work, but I'm just having trouble like making a melody because I'm not actually talented. It's a problem. Like I'm just singing like basically. I mean, maybe I could actually write the song. I have to go by the piano. A minor, 10, 10, 9, 73, 25, 33, 76. This is terrible. Mod 20 mod 4 would be equal. I like the idea that it's not equivalent probabilities though. Because I think that's going to make for more interesting music than just like a random chord every note. Don't you think? But I don't know if, like the fact that it started with A minor is something of an anomaly. So I like this mod 10. All right. Let's go to the next. Okay, so hold on. Mod 10, mod 4, is obviously an easier way for me to calculate it. So I need to write out the numbers. I'm going to start from a different place just to get a different sequence. So let's do 0, 3, 99, 11, 4, 61, 93, 71, 61, 68, 94. Okay, so this is, and what's my chart again? So what chords do I want to be more often, right? It's the 0 and the 1. So let's have, I think 0 being C makes sense. I'm going to make 1 F. I'm going to make 2 G7, and I'm going to make 3 A minor. So once again, A minor, F, right? C, F, A minor. Am I doing this right? F, C, C. Okay, this is the song. So this is, why is my computer going to sleep? Okay. Uh-oh. Okay. Just checking my messages to make sure I don't have any texts from my children. Okay, there's no oil truck. Okay. Are people watching this? This would be crazy if they were. All right. Wait, combine our two ideas here. Kfon says I'm old enough that I can remember using a random number table. It's bringing back memories. You can have a bias towards the base chord. Okay. Wait. 399. Wait. 399. 11. 399. 11. 4. 61. 93, 71, 61, 68, and 64, 94. We never got a G7. All right, we need another line. Okay, we need another line. 38. This is good. We're going to have this done by noon. 55. 38, 55, 59, I'm having 38, 55, 59, 55, 54, 32, 88, 65, 97, 80. Wow, these are a lot of big numbers here. Okay. So we have C, F, 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 C, G7. We did it. G7, C, F. This is going to be A minor, right? 7 is A minor, and 80 is C. Okay. All right. A Wolfram. I only got 10 minutes, 9 minutes now, Simon. I can't incorporate the Wolfram, but I do like that idea. All right. 3, wait, no. 399, 99, 11, 4, 61, 93, 71, and a 61, 68, 94, 38, and 55, 59, 55, C, 32, 88, 65, 97, 80. Thank you, thank you. Is anybody recording this? If somebody would like to record this, just tweet it for me. All right. First, Ultra Nerd 25. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for what you are watching. But I got 8 more minutes. This is what I'm doing today. So the question is, how do I want to record this? I guess one way I could do it is by making this full screen. I'm standing in front, and then I have to move this over here. Okay. No, I need to have that there. Okay, let me make this a little bit higher. There we go. Designing what I want this to look like. Okay, everybody, this is my Genuary. I don't know if I'm going to have the courage to post this on Twitter, but I am recording it to disk. I'm going to do stop recording, start recording. Okay. Everyone, welcome to my January 2022 day 10. Is that right? What's today's date? Day 11. Prompt, no computer. I have composed a song based on the 4 ukulele chords that I know the best. I am taking every single one of these numbers from my tape random digit book. Show my random digit book here. I don't want to pick it up. I got it all placed correctly. Every 2 digits, I'm modding that by 4. So this is a bias to the first 2 chords, right? 0 and 1 are going to occur more often than 2 and 3. And mapping those to a chord. And then the lyrics are the 2-digit numbers. And the chords are the chords. And I am not talented at all with music. I barely can sing, carry a tune. I barely can play the ukulele, but I am doing this nonetheless as my January 2022 no computer, there's no computer prompt. me. 399 11 4 61 93. Can I start over? I want to start over, please. That was terrible. I mean, it's going to be bad, but that was like terrible. There's a live chat going on that I'm not looking at. The last digit in mod 4. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm taking the last digit and modding it by 4. Correction. I mean, that's kind of a, is that the, no, whatever. No computer also means no math, because I cannot, I mean, there's a lot of math involved here. I'm definitely not publishing this as a standalone video. 3, 390, 399, 399, 11, 4, 61, 93, 71, 61, 68, 94, 38, 55, 59, and a 55, 54, 32, 780. Okay, that was also terrible. How many more times do I get to try to do this? I have 4 more minutes of today's live stream. It's not an even, let's think about this. Okay, let's think about this. 0 mod 4 modulo 4. Scratch that out. Oh, you can't even see it. All right, let's do it up here. 0 modulus 4 is 0. 1 modulus 4 is 1. 2 modulus 4 is 2. 3 modulus 4 is 3. 4 modulus 4 is 0. 5 modulus 4 is 1. 6 modulus 4 is 2. 7 modulus 4 is 3. 8 modulus 4 is 0. 9 modulus 4 is 1. So I'm picking, essentially, randomly from these 10 numbers. The 0 and 1 each occur 3 times, and 2 and 3 occur only twice. So there is a bias. I'm going to pick, like the probability of me picking a 0 is 3 out of 10. Picking a 1 is 3 out of 10. Picking a 2 is 2 out of 10. And picking a 3 is 2 out of 10. And you can't see that I've written that there, but I wrote that there. So that's where the bias comes from, looking at the chat. And to answer Potato's question. All right, this is final take here. They're progressively getting better. 11:59, I can do it one more time. Okay. All right, here we go, everyone. Welcome, everybody, to today's January 2022 contribution, No Computer. Today, I've picked some random numbers from my Random Digits book. I mean, it's not my book. It is a book of random digits. Lots more about that somewhere else for you. I've taken every 2 digits. I'm taking the first, the second digit, the ones digit, modding it. No, I've ruined everything. Modding it by 4. So I get a random number 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1. Actually, so that first digit means nothing, but whatever. Those are mapped to a chord. These are the chords that I know. I have no musical talent. I have no creative abilities. I'm doing this nonetheless for your viewing pleasure, or what's the opposite of pleasure? You could just turn this off. Here's my song for Genuary No Computer. It's called No Computer. This song is called No Computer. That's the name of the title. The name of the title of the song, the name of the song. Words escape me. It's time for lunch. 3, 99, 11, 4, 61, 93, 71, and a 61, a 68, 94, 38, 55, 59, 55, 54, 32, 88, 65, 97, 80. Thank you very much. Good night, New York. All right, I think we're done, people. Thanks for tuning in. This is not what I expected to be streaming on Twitch today. Someone wants to just cut that for me, make some edits of it. I'm Mathieu. You're watching. Maybe not. You can edit this together. Just say, I got a few takes here. You can crop some stuff out, make a nice little short video. You got time today, right? I'm going to send you this video file. Let me upload it now. Hopefully it recorded. Let me hit stop recording. I'm going to Google Drive. I might just have to let's see, go to Google Drive. Time. My children, they need lunch. I'm also getting my son's vaccination booster today. I have to take him to do that. No, I want the NY. How do I get there? Oh, you got to be kidding me. Oh, yeah, I should really be doing this while I'm streaming. Well, I'm getting some more time in streaming. Get me closer to affiliate. I don't know what, the thing that I'm really enjoying about this Twitch streaming is I feel like I'm just starting over. Like, I just decided like I'm a brand new person streaming on the internet, and it's just quite enjoyable. It sort of takes all the pressure off. Returning to my roots. Okay, I'm just checking my messages. Yes, did I approve it? Verify it's me. Verify it's me. Yeah, continue. Continue, it's me. I recognize the account. No, fine. Okay, I don't care. By the way, the folder where I upload all the video files is still called Coding Rainbow. So this is January 2022, day 11. And there should be a video file that I recorded somewhere. Not there. Is that where it is? Videos. Maybe it's just in videos. Date. Today is 2022. MP4. Whoa. I think I have the settings on a very high quality. Okay. I don't know if this, okay, so whoops. Ah! Let's just upload both of these. Okay, I'm uploading them. This pattern would also work well with the randomness, says Mr. PhD.
Okay, I would like to show you.
Oh, cool.
I think we can getting a one.
Oh, I should do this. I love this. Okay. All right. All right, everyone. I have got to go. Thank you for tuning in. I've got to go make my children. I appreciate that you are participating in this Twitch experiment with me. Thank you for all of your patience. The coding train is coming back full force, I hope, in 2022. I'm doing my best. If you would like to participate, support, help, all those kind of things, join the Discord. Tag, I don't know, me, station manager, supporter. None of this is actually correct information. But if you would like to support the work that I'm doing, you can join a YouTube membership or a Patreon, but you don't need to do that. Just you being here is super helpful. Stay tuned next Twitch Tuesday. I'm hoping that Twitch Tuesdays will always be at noon, but I had to do it at 11 today because I have to make lunch at noon. So yeah. So anyway, I've got to go. That's at the end. I'm going to just play a little music and shut things down. Hang out in the chat for a little bit. And YouTube videos and all that stuff coming soon. Hang out in the Discord. Say hi on Twitter. Say hi to the new Coding Train social media on Twitter and Instagram. Let's kick off the Coding Train community choo-choo for 2022. 2022 is so hard to say. Twitch Tuesday for 2022. Twoo. Oh, the music is not hooked up. I'm just going to shut this down. I forgot how I stopped streaming on Twitch. I think I just hit the stop streaming button. I can, by the way, hook the music back up, but I have to take this off. And because of course I don't have two USB ports. That's a thing that could be arranged. I don't know if this is going to do something bad to your ears. So just hopefully not. This dot, never forget this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot. As always, I always forget the this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot. I'm going to do this dot, this dot. I'm going to do this button dot, here. This dot, this dot. I'm going to do this dot, this dot. I'm going to do dot, this dot, this dot. And I'm muting myself to say goodbye. This dot, this dot, this dot. Never forget this dot, this dot, this dot. This dot song. This dot, this dot, this dot. Never forget this dot. This dot, this dot, this dot. I'm gonna do this dot, this dot. I'm gonna do this dot, this dot, this dot. I'm gonna do this dot, this dot. I'm gonna do dot, this dot, this dot, this dot. I'm gonna do this dot, this dot. I'm gonna do this dot, this dot, this dot. I'm gonna do this dot, this dot. I'm gonna do this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot song. This dot, this dot. This dot, never forget this dot. This dot, this dot, this dot, never forget this dot. I'm gonna do the this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, the this dot song, never forget the this dot.